Hi everyone, and welcome back to Painting with Pauline. Tonight this is kind of an unboxing of paint. I bought this set of paint from Draw Mix Paint. It's Geneva oil paints, and it's an incredible company topped by Mark, and he actually he teaches painting, has a website. It's drawmixpaint.com. You can buy these paints there. So about 4 years ago, I bought these paints, never opened them, never tried them. They were still into the bags. I stopped painting. I've dabbled in painting a little bit, but I'm trying to get back into it. So tonight I said, you know what, I'm gonna open up these tubes of paint that have been sitting here, right down here under my painting desk for like 4 years. 4 years. And guess what? They're buttery smooth, unreal. This is such good quality paint. It's just incredible. I'll just fool around a bit for you. So I bought, I got the titanium white, cad yellow, what is this? Oh my God, I can't even pronounce it. Anyway, it comes out a type of red, burnt umber, and French ultramarine blue. So here we are down here. And yeah, they are nice paints. Like, look at the white. Very nice, very nice. And let's see, I'll make a bunch of, I'm going to put some right up on the canvas. So let's just slap some on the old canvas up here. I just want to check it out. I'm just shooting this freehand, obviously, with my cell phone. Some yellow. Oops. Well, this is harder than it looks, holding a phone and trying to paint. My gosh, what was I thinking? All right. Jump into some reds. And let's just mix them together a little bit. But this paint really goes and goes and goes. Unbelievable. I'm going to add a little bit more red. Sorry for the quality. I was just, I was like, you know what? I haven't tried these paints yet. What's the matter with me? And I said, okay, tonight's the night. Let's just throw some on a canvas. Open these tubes for the first time and throw some on the canvas. Painting like a little kid here. Don't care. Let's mix it up here with some red. Luscious colors. Now these are supposed to stay wet like 5 days. 5 days. So, and what about the blue? What should we do here? Maybe a little bit up here. Sorry about the shoddy video. I just had to open up the bottles. The point is, even after 4 years of these paints just sitting here under my desk, never opened. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Yeah, I can't wait to actually paint something with them. I want to try doing a rose. Let's see here. So we have the white with the blue. Mix it with some yellow. See what we get. And let's go for a little bit of red. There you have it. Just a sample right out of the tube after sitting there for 4 years. My goodness. Very, very impressed. I thought that they'd be dried up or something, but no. 4 years under my desk, just sitting there. Geneva oil paint. If you want to paint realism, if you want to paint anything, go to drawmixpaint.com and learn all his secrets. I'm telling you, just a really, really good artist and really good products he has for sale. All right. If you get anything positive out of my videos, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.